Hi everyone, this is Chris again from Scuba Nights. Hope you have been enjoying our videos so far. So if you can see the setup today, okay, we are actually bringing this live to you from Phuket because Scuba Nights, we are here right now doing our overseas trip, and right now at 6:30 AM in the morning we'll bring you our latest review, which is the Ratio Dive computer, which I will be bringing down with me to the water later. So when I'm actually looking for a dive computer, I look at the basic functions like what my current depth is, how deep I've been, how long I've been down, and most importantly, how long I can stay underwater without any decompression penalties. And also, very important, is the nitrox mix. And all this, your Ratio Dive computer actually has these functions. So what you see here is the Ratio iDive computer, which brings you all the basic functions that I just mentioned, and it actually brings you so much more. The iDive is designed by the Italians, and this stylish wristwatch type computer has a 47mm diameter by 16mm deep polished stainless steel case and a scratch resistant sapphire crystal glass face. This solid case actually gives the computer a depth rating of 220 meters. With this stylish design, you can basically wear this on land or in the water, or like me, wear it for massage and even for partying at night without fear of scratching the face. With a long life USB rechargeable battery, this can actually last up to 20 dives. Charging is done via a USB interface cable, which makes it really convenient. This computer also has an automatic sleep mode, and the display is actually switched off if iDive is still not used for 5 minutes. And as soon as any movement is detected by this guy, the display will actually turn back on and you can actually see the time. Another optional accessory which is available from Ratio is their oxygen analyzer, which actually interfaces with the iDive and provides on-screen gas analysis.